What are you doing, kid? Ooh, do you hear that? Yo, it is windy. Hopefully it's not too windy. I don't know, I get questions about my Jeep and my storage. This is one, I don't know, it's called the JOYTUTUS. I'm not sure how you, it's just some cheap Chinese one. There's a bunch of these ones on Amazon. I'll post the link in there, but these things are amazing, lifesavers. If you have a lot of gear, it's great. I can put stuff up here normally just when I'm driving, so I keep this in this level all the time, and then down here I can put, you know, whatever. So groceries is great. You can put whatever stuff you don't want smashed up there. You can put heavier stuff down here. You can keep bigger items, batteries down there. My cooler is usually down here. Then you can put a bunch of stuff up here. So throughout the week I just have miscellaneous crap up there. What's cool is, take these out. These go right inside of here and they just twist and lock it in. So they're on both sides. The mounting's pretty easy. It just goes right into the frame. But what's cool is this will actually go up and you can put it out of the way there. You can make it go flat, or you can put it down. Kind of hard with one hand, but I would say the only upgrades, I went and got these little poly washers. You can see them in there, just plastic polyurethane ones. Got some little rubber ones on here, but without those, this thing squeaks. Doesn't matter how tight you get it, it'll just make little squeaky noises. So it just made it more secure. You just go to a little hardware store, you can pick those up. But the other bad thing is when you have stuff up in here, because it's metal, you go around the corners, especially if you're on the trail, it just slides around. So I've had this for a while, I just haven't put it in. But you can go to Harbor Freight or Lowe's or Home Depot. This is actually a liner for toolboxes. You can also get it for like your cabinets, so any type of non-stick skidding type of stuff. So I'm gonna put that in. I had some before. I used hot glue and it works pretty good. The bad thing is you pull it out, it would actually rip this. So I'm going to use some double-sided tape, put it in there. That way when I put stuff up here, it's not going to slide around. When this is packed, when you're on a trip, there's nothing sliding around. But during the week, just daily driving, I don't have a whole lot of stuff up there, and it likes to slide. Fat fingers. Yeah, when I'm driving around during the week, anything that's up here just slides around. It's kind of annoying. So I'm gonna put this in there. Hopefully it should help. I haven't had it on this one. I had it on another rack before and it works pretty good. So go ahead and get that installed. All right, I just used double-sided tape. I put it in all four corners. I didn't put anything down the center. Again, with the weight of everything else, it should be good. But now I can throw crap up there and it's not gonna wanna slide around. This is fabric. So anything else that's heavier, especially if I put my battery pack up there, my anchor, if it goes up there, it won't slide around, especially when I strap it down. Even when I strap stuff down on here, it would still want to slide a little bit, but it should be good now. All right, thanks for checking it out. I'll put the link in the description below again for this.